Guys, a brand new app called DesDes just launched. Guess what? New users can earn up to $6.45 in their first 7 days. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register, how to get started, and how to earn on DesDes. Let's get started. So click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you here now. All right. Take you here now. All right. So once you're here, the next thing is to click on start earning. Then it will take you to here to download it. All right. So it will take you to Play Store to download it. So I'm going to click on install. After downloading the app, you open it, then it takes you to this side to log in with your Google. All right, so you click and choose your Google account you want to log in with. So after logging into with your Google account, it will bring you to this side to put your country. Then I'm going to select my country, Nigeria. So you select your own country where you're living or your main country. So me, I am living in Senegal, but I want to select my country, Nigeria. So I've selected my country. Invite ID. So once you use my link and download this app, my ID is automatically auto-binded. But in case it's not automatically binded, please put the ID you're seeing on the screen right now. Put it that place, the right invite ID. Then after it, choose your gender. If you are a man, choose male. If you are a female, choose female. This app is for both genders. Okay, yeah, it's for both genders. Both male and female have tasks to perform and claim. And mind you, once you choose gender, you cannot change it again after registration. So after that, you click on submit or join. So the app will open. Allow the app to send you notification. Okay, then follow this is very important for you to get that new user welcome bonus of $0.5. Click on start. Okay, complete you got game pass ×1. First bet get $0.5. So click on start. So once you click on start, it will open. Make sure you don't skip this. So if you skip it, you have lose $0.5. So once it's open like this, allow it to open. Allow the hunt ocean to open. All right. Give it time. Do not skip this. If you skip this, you have missed $0.5. I am telling you this now because some people, they like skipping. So this is your new user benefit. Do not skip this part if you don't want to miss this new user benefit. Okay, allow the ocean hunt to load complete 100% as if you want to play game. So once it loads like this, okay, the next is to click on spin. It will spin like this. Okay, do not change the number. If you change it, it will not work. So once you spin, have you seen it? 50,000 coins have been given. Get more reward. When you click on get more reward, that is, it will take you to where you see your mentors. And before you see your mentors, you need to do face authentication. Okay, so you click back, click on your home page. This is message of congratulatory that you have joined Desire Agency and you have gotten your newbie reward of $0.5. Okay, so all you need to do is just to click back, click on me. Okay, click on me so that it will take you to the place that you will do your face authentication. So scroll up, you will see verification. Okay, so once you see verification, you click on it. Okay, click on verification. It will take you to this side. It's live picture authentication, or not the one that will tell you turn right, turn left, turn no. So once you use my link, automatically you have joined my agency. That's how the app works. Okay, so if you want to invite your friends, just go to your own invitation link, copy your link, invite them, then give them my ID. Okay, are you seeing it? Click on invitation, you invite your friends, click on invite friends, you copy your own link, send it to them. All right, send it to your friends, post it in your WhatsApp, in your Facebook, in your YouTube, in your TikTok. Post it here because this app has invitation reward. So once they join, give them my agency ID to join my agency. My agency ID is this one showing on the screen right now. It is also at my description. So you click on verification, it will take you to this side. They will ask you to click on verify now. Okay, like I said, it is live picture authentication. So once you click on verify now, it will bring you to this place. Please upload a clear photo of yourself. Okay, you give it access to picture and record. Okay, so click on start now. Just snap a live picture. After snapping the live picture, make sure that you are in a very good and clear environment. Okay, you snap the picture. So after snapping the picture, you click on good sign by the right. Okay, so once you click on that good sign, then either it will be on review or they will approve it. So how to know that your live authentication has been approved is you receive a message that your verification has been approved. Then when you click on your task, you see your task like this. Okay, when you sit on mine for 1 hour, you receive 12k and 70k at once. Then when you sit on crunch here, you also receive 3,000, making it 85k daily. Okay, so yeah, that's it, making it 85k daily. So this is my message, verification approved. That is how to know that you have been approved. Okay, so once you see it like that, you click on home. Then to enter your room, this is it. So you click on mic and give it access. It will load like this. Sometimes your network used to disturb you, so if it is disturbing, do not panic. Okay, it will also come up. So you click on enter your room. All right, so your room will open like this. You can stay in your room and perform your task. You can stay in another person's room and perform your task. All right, so once it opens like this, then you sit on your host chair. All right, then if you're performing your task, you can click on that task to check how many minutes you have done, to check if your task is counted or not. So this is network. Why I'm allowing this thing to play is because I didn't cut off this place, so that in case you are opening your own and it's doing like this, you know that it's network, it's their network, it's nothing. Okay, make sure that you give the app access to your microphone, your picture. If not, your task will not count. So make sure that you give the app access to your microphone and your photos and videos, so that your task will count. So once you're on your panel, you click on task. It will take you to task center like this. Okay, so you check how many minutes you have done, if your task is counting or not. So click on the gift box, the envelope one. You will see 𝑠Lucky is for gambling, lucky is for gambling, then lottery is for gifting. All right, so that's it. When you want to gift yourself, you click on lottery, that's for the gifting. Then 𝑠Lucky and lucky is for gambling. So go to your profile, you click on your point, you click on withdraw to see the withdrawal methods. Have you seen I received 50,000? That is 0.5 for my new user because I follow the on-screen instruction. Make sure you follow it so that you don't miss that 0.5. So click on add to add your payment method. Then click on your country, choose your country. Anywhere you're from, you choose it. So I choose Ethiopia. I'm not from Ethiopia. I'm showing you an example. So you click on it, you see the withdrawal method. So let me click on my if you any country you are, if it is in Nigeria, don't click my own. You see e-wallet. E-wallet is OPay or PalmPay. Okay, e-wallet is OPay or PalmPay. Then you can also use a BINANCE ID or EPAY. But preferably if you are from Nigeria, I would advise you use your OPay or PalmPay. All right, so once you click on it, you click on withdrawal wallet, you will see it OPay or PalmPay. Then you add your withdrawal wallet there. All right, so that is all about withdrawal part. So that's all about DesDes Audio streaming app. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time I've come across my channel, is your girl selling, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share my videos, if this is kind of video that you like to be watching, make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to this my channel, because I share legit updates every time. Disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. I'm sharing my experience on the apps that I'm working. Make sure that you make your own research before joining, before investing your time and your money. All right, to all my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you guys for your wonderful support. I appreciate it. And to my incoming subscribers, I love you all. To all those sharing my videos, I love you all. Bye bye guys, see you in my next one.